me get some food. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna get some white wood while I'm at it.
Oh yeah. Ba
That was a big one.
I don't know if you guys heard that. You probably did, but I just did a big fart.
That's the biggest one. Okay, wait, that's not the biggest. Speaking, fuck, this smells. And speaking about farts, my dad last night I was on the couch and they got their bed. You seen it, eh? Their bed
Oh yeah.
next to their couch.
Yeah.
Yeah, I slept on the couch. My dad turned around, put his ass by me, and then he just did a runny ass fart. Just went. It was runny ass. And it smelled like rotten egg, like literally rotten egg. That was gross. Then I got payback. Farted on his head. I'm lost. Oh, you fucked up.
That's how you know you fucked up.
You know you fucked up.
Hey. You don't need any more oak wood.
Oh, I can't find you. I'm lost.
Oh my god. The wall's done.